Hey guys, welcome to the Python Pandas tutorial. In this series, you will learn everything you need to get started with Pandas. The agenda of this tutorial is we will use Pandas for exploring, cleaning, transforming and visualizing data. Now what Pandas is? Pandas is a open source Python package which provides fast, flexible and expressive data structure to work with data. The developer of Python Pandas is Wes McNay. A guy looks like this. As it is open source, you will have the code from the GitHub link github.com/pandasdev/pandas. Now if you see what can be done with pandas, there are a lot of functionality that Panda provides. Like it can handle the missing data easily, and size mutability means you can add or delete columns in high dimensional objects using a Python data structure called data frame, and there are a lot of functionality. The most amazing thing is that whatever the data format is, if you are working with a CSV file or a Excel file or databases like SQL or JSON format, pandas can handle all of them. The requirement of this tutorial is basic Python, the Python data structures and NumPy. Python data structure, you will get a lot of videos in YouTube and you can check the Python documentation also. And for NumPy, fortunately I have a 14 minutes tutorial on NumPy where I covered all the things you need to know as a beginner. Now if you are wanting to start your career on data science, Pandas is a library where you should start with. But before that, please check out the NumPy library. Now to install Pandas, if you are using the Python environment, then you can use the pip install pandas to install it in your system. But if you are using conda, replace pip with conda. And I am in the Jupyter notebook, so I have to add an exclamation mark before the pip install pandas. And if I run this code, it will show requirement already satisfied as I have panda already installed in my system. Now for your case, you can check by importing pandas as PD, which is the standard format of importing pandas. There should not be any error while importing pandas. Now pandas data structures. So there are two primary data structure of pandas. One is series and another one is data frame. And the third one is panel, which is not so important. So now let's start with series. Series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding data of any type. You can think of a dictionary while comparing with series. A pandas series can be created using the constructor pandas.series and passing the following arguments. But we will learn that in the next video. Now the second data structure is pandas data frame, which is a two-dimensional labeled data structure, or you can say a two-dimensional series, and you can compare it with a spreadsheet or a SQL table. So when we learn data frame, we will check that. The third data type is panel. Panel is a 3D container of data. The term panel data is derived from econometrics and is partially responsible for the name panel data to pandas. So in the next video, we will learn how to create a pandas series and different features of pandas series. So please leave a like for this video before moving on that, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.